Assalamu alaikum student. So here are new lessons, second lecture, that is introduction to acid and base, and this is our lecture second, and today we will learn about the indicators. Okay, so what is indicator or what are the indicators? So indicator we can define as the substances, or the indicators are the substances which show a change in color when brought in contact with acid and bases. Okay, when they are comes in the contact with any acid or base, they change their color, or change the color of that particular substance. Okay, that is indicator. Okay, why it is necessary to use the indicators? Student, we know that acid or some acid are dangerous. Mostly the acid are dangerous, and some alkali or bases are also dangerous if they are in their strong form. So touching or tasting of substances like this, like acid or base, is very dangerous. So for tasting any substances, either they are acid or base, we use indicator. So we can define indicator as the substances which change their color in presence of acid or base. Okay, so student, the most common indicator which is used in the laboratory is litmus paper. So if you remember that I had shown you the litmus paper during our practicals. So students, this litmus paper is very common indicator which we use, or which we can use in during the practicals. So this litmus paper is found in the form of a strip, or also in the form of a solution, and this litmus paper is made up of extract of lichen. Lichen के extract से बनता है. Okay, here it is written actually lichen. Actually it is a plant. Lichen is a plant, और जो लिटमस पेपर है वो उससे बनाया जाता है. सो इट इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ स्ट्रिप. 2 कलर स्ट्रिप रहती है लिटमस पेपर की. सी हियर द रेड कलर और द ब्लू कलर. वाई दे आर इन दिस 2 फॉर्म? बिकॉज if we are going to taste some acid or base, so what we have to do, we have to take any substances, like if we have took an acid, or if you dip a blue litmus in acidic solution, so that color of the blue litmus turn to red. Okay, that means, or that indicate that particular substances is a acid. And if you dip this red color in any basic or alkali solution, that turns to blue. Red turns to blue when it dip in alkali. That shows that particular substance is a alkali or basic in nature. But if you dip that red color into an acid, okay, that show no change in the color. Means एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन में रेड कलर रेड ही रहता है, और ब्लू कलर जो है दैट टर्न्स टू द रेड इन कलर. and in alkali solution, that blue litmus remains same. Means there is no change happen in a blue litmus when we dip in a blue basic solution. So student, there are different types of indicator used to find the substances, either acid or base, and they are the laboratory indicators, the methyl orange, phenolphthalein indicator, or methyl red. So let's see the color changes of these particular substances in a different solution. So student, if a methyl orange, okay, methyl orange dipped in a acidic solution, what will happen? That turns to pink. That particular substances or particular acid solution turns to pink, or the solution completely turns to pink, whatever color it have, but after adding this blue methyl orange it turns to pink. That means that solution is acidic in nature. Okay, now similarly, if this methyl orange dip in any basic solution or alkali solution, what will happen, that colors of that particular solution in the alkali shows the color change happen and it turns to yellow. What color we will get if the solution is alkali or basic in nature? That methyl orange change that particular substances to the yellow color. So this is the effect of methyl orange in acidic solution or in basic solution. Now let's see about the phenolphthalein indicator. Next is phenolphthalein indicator. Okay, so if phenolphthalein indicator also used in a laboratory for identification of acid or bases. So if we will add phenolphthalein indicator in acidic solution, so that solution shows no changes, मीन्स एसिडिक सोल्यूशन में फिनोल्फ्थेलिन का कोई कलर चेंज नहीं होगा. मीन्स दैट इफ़ द कलर इज़ नॉट चेंज of that particular substances, means that is there is acid is there in that solution. But if we will add this phenolphthalein indicator any alkali or base solution, so that turns to pink कलर का हो जाएगा सॉल्यूशन फिनोल्फ्थेलिन ऐड करने के बाद. दैट मीन्स वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई दैट पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंसेस इज बेस. मीन्स फिनोल्फ्थेलिन जब ऐड करते हैं एसिड में तो कोई कलर चेंज नहीं होगा, वो एज इट इज़ रहेगा. और जैसे ही हम फिनोल्फ्थेलिन कोई बेसिक सोल्यूशन में ऐड करते हैं तो दैट पर्टिकुलर सोल्यूशन जो है और दैट फिनोल्फ्थेलिन टर्न्स टू पिंक कलर का हो जाएगा. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट indicator, laboratory indicators. Student, if we will have our classes, so we will do practicals, and there is table is given in your textbook which also shows the different changes, indicators and their color in acidic and basic solution. See here, litmus paper है blue color का, so turns to red, which I explained you. और ब्लू जो है ब्लू ही रहेगा इन अल्कली सॉल्यूशन. देन लिटमस पेपर रेड कलर का अगर से है तो दैट टर्न्स रिमेन सेम इन एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन, रेड का रेड और टर्न्स ब्लू इन अल्कली. सो मिथिल ऑरेंज टर्न्स टू पिंक, और बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में जस्ट आई एक्सप्लेन बेसिक में इट रिमेन्स it turns to yellow. Okay, so here it is given. You can also learn this table for remembering the color changes. So methyl red in alkali indicator जो है रेड कलर का रहता है और वो रेड ही रहेगा एसिडिक में, और बेसिक में येलो हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट द इंडिकेटर्स एंड देयर कलर चेंज इन द एसिड एंड बेसिस. सो स्टूडेंट, we have domestic indicators also at home, and we can do so many practicals by using this indicator. So first indicator, domestic indicator is your turmeric हल्दी जिसको हम बोलते हैं. So this is one of the domestic indicator, and you can use to identify acid or base. As student, we know that there are different daily vegetables come, and we are having lemon, oranges which are having acid in there, that is citric acid. So you can taste them by using these natural indicators, or we can make some natural indicator by using hibiscus, rose flower, टर्मरिक ऑल्सो बना सकते हैं. सो ये एक्टिविटी दी है, आप ट्राई भी कर सकते हो एट होम, बट डोंट ट्राई एट होम, वी विल डू इट in a laboratory. So if you are using turmeric as an indicator, so apply it in a lemon juice और lime juice और lime water, चूना जो रहता है that is calcium hydroxide, and see the changes and write in this box. So this is homework for you, student. So you take two different substances like lime juice or lime water, or take turmeric, add the turmeric on it, and see the color changes of that particular lime juice. Or you can make paper types. Okay, and see the changes acidic और basic है क्या क्या color changes होता है. So student, this is about the indicators or indicator. It is used for the identification of acid or bases. So this is a lecture 2 completed here, and we will see about the next topic in our next lecture. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.